Did you know there are two vitamins? Yes, vitamins. That, when overused after the age of 60, can actually weaken your legs instead of strengthening them? We often think more is better when it comes to supplements, but in some cases, the opposite is true. If your legs feel weaker, heavier, or less steady lately, it might not just be aging. It could be what's in your pill bottle. Now I'm curious. Have you ever noticed more muscle cramps, fatigue, or balance issues after starting a new supplement? Let me know in the comments, because your story could help someone else spot the same hidden pattern. Over the years, I've seen countless seniors committed to their health, taking daily vitamins to stay strong, and yet a few of them ended up struggling with leg weakness, even though their hearts, minds, and motivation were in the right place. That's why I want to guide you through this, so you know not just what to take, but also what to watch out for. The first vitamin we need to talk about is vitamin A. In small amounts, it's essential for vision, skin, and immune health. But too much, especially from high-dose supplements, can build up in your body over time, leading to muscle and joint pain, bone thinning, and yes, weakness in your legs. I remember one gentleman in his late 60s who doubled his multivitamin dose just to be safe. Within months, he felt persistent soreness in his thighs and calves. We checked his labs, and his vitamin A levels were sky high. Cutting back made a world of difference within weeks. The second one is vitamin E. Now, this may surprise you because vitamin E is often promoted for heart and brain health. But in excessive amounts, it can thin your blood too much and even interfere with muscle function, leaving your legs feeling weaker or more prone to bruising after small bumps. Here's the key point. Neither of these vitamins is bad in the right amounts. In fact, they're essential. The problem comes when you take high doses for long periods without your doctor monitoring your levels, especially if your diet already provides enough naturally. You might be wondering, so how do I know if I'm overdoing it? The safest step is to review your supplement labels and add up how much you're getting from all sources. Your multivitamin, separate supplements, and even fortified foods. It's surprisingly easy to exceed the safe upper limit without realizing it. And here's a quick pattern: interrupt. Imagine watering a plant. The right amount helps it grow, but too much water can rot the roots. Vitamins are like that for your body. Balance is everything. If you suspect your intake might be high, talk to your healthcare provider about checking your blood levels. That way, you can personalize your supplement plan instead of guessing. You'll protect your muscles, joints, and overall mobility well into your later years. It's also worth remembering that many nutrient needs can be met through food. Brightly colored vegetables, nuts, seeds, and healthy oils can provide balanced amounts of vitamin A and E without the risk of overload. Your body often absorbs and uses nutrients from food more efficiently than from pills. I once worked with a woman in her 70s who replaced her high-dose vitamin E supplement with a handful of almonds and sunflower seeds each day. Not only did her leg strength improve over time, but she also felt more energetic, and she enjoyed her snacks far more than swallowing another capsule. When it comes to staying active after 60, strong legs are your foundation. They keep you independent, steady, and able to enjoy the activities you love, whether that's walking, gardening, or dancing with your grandchildren. Protecting them means fueling them right, not just fueling them more. If you're dealing with unexplained leg weakness, don't panic. It's not always a sign of serious illness. Sometimes it's just a matter of adjusting your supplements. Small changes can have a big impact on your daily energy and strength. So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, take 5 minutes to check your supplement labels. See if vitamin A or E is there, and note the dose. Bring that info to your next doctor's appointment and ask if it's truly right for you. I'd love to hear in the comments, what's one change you've made recently that's helped your legs feel stronger? Your tips might encourage someone else to take action. If this video gave you something to think about, give it a like and subscribe for more senior health tips. Remember, the goal isn't just living longer, it's living stronger, steadier, and happier. Let's keep those legs moving for many years to come.